Hey there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Auld Lang Syne, which is a traditional Scottish song, and we usually sing it to commemorate the start of a new year, and everyone does that dance where you join hands and you all come together, and it's a really nice thing. So I'm going to teach you how to play that today. So we'll do the melodies you heard in the preview, we'll do the melody in the right hand and then the chords in the left hand. So I'm going to teach you the right hand melody first. And if you're interested in the sheet music, I have left that down below as well. So go and check that out if you would rather work from the sheet music. So I've chosen to arrange this one in the key of F major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. And here is middle C, just as a reference point, so if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. So it starts on beat 4, this one. It's 4 beats in a bar and it starts on the 4th beat of the bar. Use whichever fingers you prefer, and if you could copy me if you're unsure. The notes for the first bit is on the screen now, so we have C, F, 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 A, G, F, G, A, G, F, F, A, C, and you can play just the D or the F with that as well. So I'll do that first bit again. Should old acquaintance be forgotten, never brought to mind? And the next bit, D, C, A, F, and then G, F, G, A, G, F, D, D, C, F. So that's again. Should all acquaintance be forgot, and days of Auld Lang Syne? So I'll just join what we've done so far without singing. So we go back up to this D. D, C, A, F, G, F, G, D, C, A, C, and then F and D again. So I'll do that again. Auld Lang Syne, my dear. A bit too high. And the very last bit, so go up to an F, and then C, A, and then we're going to go over to F, and then this next bit's optional. We can play E and G, and then D and F, back to E and G, and then we have E and A, and then a G, F, D, D, C, and then either just an F, or a full F major chord, or just A and F. It's up to you. Do that last bit again. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. So that's way too high for me to sing. So I'll do all of that from the beginning now. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider hitting that like button and say hi in the comments section below. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing. you know where the button is, and make sure to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a new tutorial and you can be the first to learn. I've left a load of playlists in the description as well to get you started. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tutorial and let's continue. So for the left-hand chords, there's only like 4 different chords in the whole song. So we're going to play in F major, but we're going to play in second inversion, so C, F and A. This comes in with the first bit, so we have, comes in with the F, and then again. And then you're going to change to C major and play that with the G, so C, E, G. And if you wanted to, you could play a D in there with that F and repeat that chord. So I'll do it again from the beginning. Should old acquaintance be forgotten? And then we have that F major chord again with the F. And then I'm going to play another F major chord, but it's in root position this time, with this A. And then we have B flat major, so second inversion, so that's F, B flat and D. So do it done so far. So the next bit, I'm going to play that B flat major chord again with the D, and then to that F major chord with the C. And then I'm going to go back to this inversion this time. And then the C major chord again with the G. You can play that D in the middle. Now we have a new chord, so you're just going to move your hand up one to D minor, so it's D, F, A with that F. So here we have a B flat major chord again with that D, but it's in root position this time, so that's B flat, D and F. And then that F major chord again. So I'll just go from should old acquaintance be forgotten. So for the next bit, so we're going to come back to that B flat major chord with the D, and then to the F major chord with that C. Move to that F major, the C chord again, back up to that B flat major chord with the D, to the F major with the C. To the B flat major chord again. So similar to what we've already done, so I'll do that again. So for Auld Lang Syne, my dear, from there. And the very last bit, so we've got that B flat major chord again, so with this F, F major with that C. Change it to there. And then we have the C major chord. And then we have a different chord, so it only appears once, it's an A major, so it's A, C sharp and E, with the E and A. And then the D minor chord, B flat major chord, and then you can just play F and C if you want, or you can add the F in there. So a nice full chord at the end to finish it. So I'll just do that very last part again. I'll do it all the way through now slowly. Happy New Year everyone! So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.